Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to withdraw money from Metamask to your bank account. So Metamask itself can't directly send money to bank account. You must first need to transfer your crypto from Metamask to a crypto exchange like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken. Then sell it for fiat USD, PHP, and so on. So step one, you have to log in or open your Metamask. Make sure you're on the correct network. And then after that, you can now exit and then choose a crypto exchange like Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, OKX, or BitGet. So I will be using Binance this time. So I'm going to exit this and then look for Binance. Now here you have to log in to your Binance, and then this time you have to look for deposit, or if you can't find deposit, then you have to tap on the add funds right here. So tap on add funds, tap on chain deposit, and then choose the cryptocurrency you have in MetaMask. It could be Ethereum, USDT, or BTC, so on. So for example, I will be using Ethereum. I have to look for Ethereum right here. Tap this one and then copy the address. So make sure it's the same network. And then you can now exit your Binance, go back to your MetaMask, tap on send option, and then paste the address right here. Enter the amount of Ethereum that you want to send. Once you have enough Ethereum here on your Binance, then you can now basically trade this one. So make sure once the crypto arrives on the exchange, you can now trade or sell. Go back to your Binance, tap on the trade option right here, choose the crypto like Ethereum, and then complete the sale. Basically, you can withdraw this using your bank account. You can choose bank transfer, enter your bank account details, and confirm the transaction. And basically, that's how easy it is to withdraw money from MetaMask to bank account. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.